In this lesson, I want to show you how to create an exploded view, make the camera rotate around it, and of course, export the video. I've already prepared this assembly. Now let's click New File and select Presentation, Standard.epn format. Let's open it. Right away, this window pops up, and here we select our assembly. Open. Here it is. Now let's position and move our camera like this. Turn on perspective mode. I'm doing this now in order to animate the rotation of our camera. Now click capture camera. Rotate the camera like this. Now let's move it to 2, of course. And click capture camera. Now click the home icon, move to 4, and click capture camera again. Now click play. We can see how our camera flies and takes this position. All that's left is to add the movement of the components. So click this button and move our ball out. X 0 Y 50 Z 0. That's it. This way it will be more precise. Now let's click play again. Now we can see how our ball rises straight up. Of course, right click on it. Here, go to show full trail and click this button. Click it, move even further back, and select this path here, the one left behind by the ball's flight. Right click on it and press hide trail segment current. That's it. Now we've hidden the path from our ball. Now right click on storyboard 1 where it's written and select publish to video. It doesn't matter where, and click OK. Storyboard. I had already exported the video to the documents folder, so it didn't let me export with the name 1. I wrote 2, and now to let me export. AVI without compression. Okay. Okay, it's exported. And now we can see our ball AVI. This was Robert Tektifi with you. Goodbye everyone.